Excellency, sir. Your Excellency.
Gentlemen,
Mr. Hiroshi, sir.
Hiroshi from Japan. This meeting, let me think of my Japanese. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Bra bra.
Mola. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Come, how are you, sir?
Yeah, good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you again.
Yes, yeah.
It's been a while.
Bra.
Mola, welcome back. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Mr. Panjalingam, Mr.
Panjalingam
How are you,
from
sir?
Panjalingam from Malaysia.
Someone tell me one.
Sorry.
I'm trying to think of my bahasa.
Bahasa.
Apa kabar?
Australia is the international commissioner for Scott.
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day. Very pleased to meet you.
My pleasure, sir. Mola.
And
Good
we
morning, His Excellency.
we met with Sunny last
New
time.
Thank you.
sir. Good to see you again, sir. You're the ones who's gentleman behind me. New Mola, sir. New Mola. ¿Cómo está? Qué bonito. Good morning and welcome. So nice to see you. I'm looking forward to privilege for us to meet this morning. Where at? There we go. Look forward to that, sir. So, get me in. So, something to keep.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
Say hello to our friends back home.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
But there we go.
Nice to meet you again.
Very important person.
Yes.
For those of first kings.
One.
Felix, how about that? We had our scouts